Hi, I am Dr. Lawrence, your health expert, and in this video I am going to share with you the top 3 health benefits of drinking coffee. Coffee is a common beverage that is a favorite among the masses. Coffee enthusiasts love getting their drinks in cafes so as to get different types and flavors, while others prefer to brew their drinks at home. If you are part of the latter group, a stovetop espresso maker is the best option for you as it will help you to make top-notch quality coffee. If you are faced with the debate of whether coffee is good for your health, keep watching this video and we will shed some light on your concerns. So, here are the top 3 health benefits of drinking coffee. Health benefit number 1, coffee helps you stay in shape. Coffee contains a lot of caffeine which gives you a huge energy boost, especially when you are overworked. It enables you to stay alert and awake and grants you the ability to carry out the various activities that you need to do during the day. This is the primary reason most people wake up to a hot cup of coffee early in the morning to kickstart their day. With the energy boost that it provides, coffee can also help you to engage in your daily cardio. Taking a cup of coffee before heading out to the gym or going for a run will give you the strength and energy required to stick your exercise routine for the day. This can be quite advantageous for you, especially if you are trying to lose weight. In the long run, taking coffee will be good for your health as it will help you check your weight. This will, in turn, protect you from various weight-related ailments such as stroke and heart failure. Health benefit number 2, coffee protects you against various diseases. Coffee can actually reduce the risks of you getting diseases such as diabetes and protects you from heart failure. Recent research also indicates that coffee lowers the risk of getting various types of cancers. Coffee contains various antioxidants which help protect the body against various carcinogenic agents. It also helps the body to regulate its sugar levels through proper production and utilization of insulin in the body. Coffee also contains various acids which protect your body cells against inflammation. This, in turn, keeps all the body cells operating properly in the body, thus keeping diseases such as Parkinson's disease and dementia at bay. Coffee is also particularly good for your liver as it helps to keep the organ safe from liver cancer as well as lowers the risk of cirrhosis. Generally, coffee keeps you healthy and happy, invigorating various parts of your body, including the mind. This is based on the fact that it also helps to improve short-term memory and boosts the brain function. Health benefit number 3, coffee reduces depression and increases your lifespan. Coffee is loaded with a large number of antioxidants and vitamins such as vitamin B2, vitamin B5, and vitamin B3, just to mention a few. This is based on the fact that coffee can stimulate various neurons in the brain to transmit feel-good, happy hormones such as endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine. All the hormones play a major role in changing our mood and shaping exactly how we feel. When you consume coffee, it thus enhances the release of these hormones and enables you to feel happy, lighthearted, and peppy. While it is not an exact cure for depression, it definitely does help in fighting it. These major health benefits associated with drinking coffee eventually help you to live a longer, healthier, and happier life. If you enjoyed this video and learned something about the health benefits of drinking coffee, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinion matters. For more interesting health content, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to tap the notification bell to receive updates whenever I post new videos. For more interesting health content, visit www.medicalisland.net. We have plenty of articles on various health issues. Thank you for watching this video. Check out my suggestions for more health videos.